Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today in front of me LG Q70 device, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature. To do that, we should open the Play Store because we should get the application from the Play Store, and now in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge. So now just let's tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click to draw over apps. And now just find here from this list of the available apps the Muviz Edge, tap once on the switcher and go back. So here switch Edge lighting to AD, select one from these available tabs which you like, tap to apply and just tap the home button to power key button to lock the device. So now we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.